Mascara makeup tips for perfect lashes every time. A great mascara application can transform your look by adding depth, volume, and definition to your eyes. But getting perfect lashes every time requires more than just a quick swipe. Whether you're going for a natural daytime look or dramatic, fluttery lashes, these mascara tips will help you achieve the perfect finish every time. 1. Choose the right mascara for your lash goals. Different mascaras serve different purposes, so selecting the right one is key. Lengthening mascara. Best for short lashes to create the illusion of longer, more defined lashes. Volumizing mascara. Ideal for thin lashes to add fullness and thickness. Curling mascara. Perfect for straight lashes to lift and curl them. Waterproof mascara. Great for humid weather, tears, or long wear, but should be removed gently to avoid lash damage. 2. Prep your lashes. Preparation ensures a smooth and clump-free application. Clean your lashes. Make sure your lashes are free from oil or old mascara to avoid clumping. Curl first. Use a lash curler to lift your lashes for a more dramatic and eye-opening effect. Curl before applying mascara to avoid damage or smudging. 3. Master the mascara wand technique. How you use the wand can make all the difference. Start at the base. Wiggle the wand at the root of your lashes to deposit more product and create volume. Pull through slowly. Sweep the wand from the roots to the tips in one fluid motion to coat each lash evenly. Use the tip. For smaller or hard-to-reach lashes, use the tip of the wand to add precision. Layer strategically. Apply multiple coats while the mascara is still wet for buildable volume and length. Avoid over-layering to prevent clumping. 4. Focus on both upper and lower lashes. Don't neglect your lower lashes. They complete the look. Use a light touch when applying mascara to the lower lashes to avoid smudging. Consider a smaller or angled wand for more precise application on tiny lower lashes. 5. Comb through clumps. Even the best mascaras can sometimes clump. Here's how to fix it. Use a clean spoolie brush or lash comb to separate lashes and remove excess product. Avoid reapplying mascara once it has dried, as this can lead to flaking or clumping. 6. Apply a lash primer for extra boost. Lash primers can enhance your mascara's performance. They create a smooth base for mascara, reducing clumps and increasing volume. Many primers contain conditioning ingredients that nourish your lashes, promoting healthier growth. 7. Avoid the pumping motion. Pumping the wand in and out of the tube introduces air, which can dry out the mascara and make it clumpy. Instead, twist the wand gently inside the tube to pick up the product. 8. Experiment with colors. Black mascara is classic, but don't shy away from other options. Brown, for a soft, natural look, especially on lighter lashes. Blue or green, adds a pop of color to enhance your eyes and make them stand out. Clear, perfect for a no-makeup look or as a brow gel alternative. 9. Clean up smudges. Instantly smudges happen, but they're easy to fix. Wait for the smudge to dry completely, then gently remove it with a cotton swab or a makeup sponge. Avoid rubbing wet mascara, as it will spread and create a bigger mess. Conclusion: achieving perfect lashes doesn't have to be complicated. By choosing the right mascara, using the correct techniques, and maintaining lash health, you can create stunning lashes every time. Whether it's a casual day out or a glamorous evening, these tips will ensure your eyes always make a statement.